Tyrell, fuck a photo. We're filming this shit, man.
What's good? Where's PI coming live from the vehicle with the Fresh FX Smoke X Odor Elimination Technology, Rapid Odor Eliminator by Armor All Midnight Air Scent. We're gonna sorry to cool outside. We're gonna start the car has been started. Gotta turn the air conditioner on high, activate the odor eliminator can away from your face. Set fog on center console or flat surface. Turn the air on. Car door closed 15 minutes with the AC on. Recirculate. Open all doors. Here we go. Shaking back. Recirculator is already on. GoPro going on. Here we go. Air is flowing. Here we go.